everyone, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel or video, welcome. I post videos every Sunday talking about how to take care of naturally curly hair, and if you are interested in this channel or video, please give it a big thumbs up and click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you're always going to be notified. So today I am making a DIY rosemary oil. So what I'm going to be starting off with is the olive oil. So I put in 2 sprigs of rosemary. I washed the sprigs and then I dried it, and then I added to the pot of olive oil. So I am using extra virgin olive oil, first cold press extra virgin olive oil, smooth. Well, you don't need to worry about that. The most important thing is this. So what I'm gonna do is I put it on about a little higher than low, and I'm going to allow the olive oil to infuse the rosemary. And then what I'm going to do is after that I'm going to add it with my argan and my sweet almond oil, and that is going to give me what I need for my hair growth journey. And you may wonder, what is so special about rosemary? Well, if you don't know all about rosemary, because it's so popular in the hair community, especially in the curly hair community. So basically it works by stimulating scalp circulation and can be used to grow longer hair, prevent baldness, or stimulating new growth in balding areas. Rosemary oil also slows the graying of hair, promotes shininess, and prevents and reduces dandruff, making it a great tonic for overall hair health and beauty. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So this is going to take a while. So you'll notice that it's going to go from like a very vibrant green to a very dull color. So when that's finished, I'll show you what I'm going to be doing for the next step. All right, see you later. Okay, everyone. So as you can see, this has turned like a not so, like sort of like a very dull green. So yep, so now I'm gonna let this cool off and then I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so as you can see, it's a very cloudy olive oil, rosemary oil. It does smell exactly like rosemary, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this and pour it into here. Okay, and before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and set this to grams. Oops. And go ahead and set this to grams. Now it's set. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour the rosemary oil. So right now it's giving me 40 grams. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be adding the sweet almond oil as well as the argan oil, and I will be posting both products in the description down below. Basically, argan oil is USDA organic, non-GMO certified, and it is cold press, chemical free, lightweight, fast absorbing for hair, face, and body for all hair types, skin types, cruelty free, and vegan, bottled in the USA. And this one I also got from Amazon, and this one is this one is USDA organic, organic sweet almond oil, cold press, unrefined. And this one is also non-GMO, vegan, and cruelty free. And basically, what I learned is that you never ever heat up unrefined oil. The reason why is because you're going to lose all the nutrients that you need for your hair. So I did that with the olive oil. The olive oil is cold pressed, but it doesn't say unrefined, so therefore I can use it. I can warm it up just enough. I don't want it to be boiling, but I just want it enough where it's hot so it can suck out all the great benefits of rosemary. So now what I'm going to do is add 10 grams to the bottle, to the jar. So that's going to give me 20. So I want to get 80, no, 20, 60 grams of oil. So let's go ahead and start. I'll be right back. Okay, so apparently my camera decided it didn't want to record, and here I went ahead and did the whole thing. So basically, I started at 40 for the olive oil, and then I went in with 20 grams, 40 grams for the olive oil, 20 grams for the argan oil, and then 20 grams for the sweet almond oil. And I followed up with, let's see, I went in with 8 drops of the tea tree. And then I went in 8 drops with the peppermint oil. And then lastly, I know I already have rosemary, but I wanted to give a little bit extra, so I put 8 drops of the rosemary. Hold on one moment. Okay, so now I got my oil and my essential oil, so now I'm going to give it a nice shake. And yeah. And now you're wondering, why am I using argan oil and sweet almond oil? And the reason why is because the sweet almond and the argan oil, they're both really good for people with fine hair, fine curly hair. And because we have fine hair, we can't use oils such as shea butter or coconut oil to our hair, because it will, and I'm telling you, it will weigh our hair down. So this will last me a little longer. You want to store this in a refrigerator so it doesn't go rancid. And yeah, this is my DIY, and I hope you like it, and I hope you make your own hair growth oil. It's not that complicated. It's just 3 simple ingredients. Olive oil also does weigh our hair down, but because I only had 40 grams of olive oil and it was just my starting base, in order for the rosemary to get soaked in and I'll be able to use it, so therefore it was okay. And I used 20 grams of the other oils, and I used the 3 different types of essential oils, and that's it for today. So I hope you like this video, and also give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you happen to click on the subscribe button, as well as clicking on a bell icon, so you're always going to be notified. And thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.